welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Amanda. Today's video is going to be kind of like a vlog cleaning video. I haven't decided what I wanted to do yet. I have so many chores and like things that I've been neglecting around the house, so I'm looking to do that this morning before work. I also have a windshield guy coming out through my insurance. The truck actually has a like gash in the windshield. It actually happened, I was having issues with the truck. We just got it fixed and realized that there was a gash in the windshield. So I have a windshield guy coming out to do that between 12 and 5, so I have to like look out for him. I have that today and just doing things around the house, so I thought I would film it just a little bit. I tried something new with my hair. I took a shower and then decided to put it in braids, but it's not looking the cutest, but I'm gonna rock with it anyways because I didn't have to do much to my hair today. All I had to do was take it out and brush it. So that was random, but I also didn't put like a whole lot. I mean, like I still have like lashes and stuff on, like my makeup wise, but I didn't go all out. Normally I like take my time and put, like I love doing my makeup in the morning, but I'm kind of in a rush. So I'm gonna feed the dogs. I'll show you that. My mission is to clean the fridge and the pantry today. Also, my room is a mess. Like I have to do laundry, I have to do a lot. Oh, and I have to run at 8 a.m. I will catch you guys in my kitchen. I have to feed my puppies. So I hope you enjoy this video and thank you for watching. All right, we're getting food for the poochies. We got your bowls. The bowls. So watch them freak out. Oh, look at the little baby golden. There you go. I give them joint supplements. This is good for their digestive, fiber, prebiotics, probiotics, and enzymes. I get from Amazon. Give them that. What else do I give you? I heat up some broccoli for them. And I forgot to show you, I also give them this stuff from Amazon also. Packed with omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids. It's literally good for everything. I just pump one pump in the morning and one at night for the dogs. Look at them, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. All right, so first doggy, rice. Here's the meat. All right, we add some rice. Little bit of rice. For all the bowls. Rice. Paisley. Paisley. Look at these puppies. They're being so good. They're like, all right, just feed me already. All right. What are you looking at? If I'm running low on their food, like I haven't made more, I will put like a little bit of kibble in each. So that's what I'm doing. Just a little, just to top it off. And the kibble that I like the most is this Honest Kitchen. I don't know if you can see it. Honest Kitchen, I get like all their different like turkey and chicken or beef, but I love their food for the dogs. It is really expensive, but their ingredients is like really clean. Right. Look at these little puppies. All right, so now we need to shove this. All this kibble. So broccoli, I just sprinkle it on top of their food. divide it up. And then, oh, look at how beautiful. They're just the cutest. Okay, so then I also add a little bit of water, turmeric. You cannot see that. Turmeric. Now they're all eaten. They're all eaten. Oh, I forgot to, it is July, what is this? July 10th. And I already have Halloween stuff out. I couldn't take it anymore. Nobody comes over, so I really don't care. Judge me all you want. My house is a mess, I still have to clean it. One of my little Pac-Man ghost looking things. That's my fridge right now. Like, how can you get to anything? It is such a mess. So I'm gonna work on that. I have 30 minutes. I'm gonna time myself. I'll probably put on like music or something, but like speed through this so you don't. I've got to pause. I have to go for a run because it's almost 8, so I have to start getting ready. Let me turn this off. Looks way better. Okay, let me turn this off. All right, I have to get ready for a run, take this garbage out. I still want to do my pantry if I have enough time, but I gotta hurry. Okay, so looks like it's gonna storm. Okay, I'll show you what I do to get ready. This. I need here. Oh, I might actually just wear it in a parade. Let's do that. And maybe wear a headband. Looks about right. I always bring 2 things of cat food now for my little friends that I see on my run. I got from Amazon. Put these in here. I got everything with me so I don't leave anything behind, so the homeowners don't kill me and no other critters show up. I just want to feed them. I have to get my headphones, shoes. I'm also waiting for a glass guy to come today. He's gonna come and replace the truck glass, like the front windshield, because there's a crack in it. This has been rescheduled 3 times now. He was supposed to do it Saturday, and then there was another time, whatever. They don't do it obviously when it's storming, and that's like every single day in Florida. So today looks like it's gonna storm all day. So let's hope and pray between 12 and 5 it doesn't storm. But I'm going for my run. I'll be right back to clean my pantry. Okay, just got back from my run. I know it doesn't look like it, but I'm sweating bullets. My makeup's coming off. It didn't rain, thankfully, but it looked like it. I'm gonna start on I only have 30 minutes and then I have to clock in for work. So I'm doing this all before work. I'm hoping to like inspire people that are like neglecting their home like I like to do sometimes. But I love cleaning. Now I'm working on my pantry. So here's before. Looks horrible. Not horrible, but just like horrible. Perfect, but everything like has a place and I can find it. So we got top shelf is just like restock or like extras of everything. Canned goods, salsas, rice. Below that are chips. There's like disposable cups, like plastic cups, crackers, chips, all that on that side. These are extra like condiments and stuff like that, seasonings, dog food, the hard food when I need it, bags, like grocery bags and trash bags. And then this side, I was trying to make for like storage, my crock pot. There's like a whole bunch of extra stuff up there. This is like flours, baking soda, like emergency food. Oh, my battery's dying. Oatmeal. We got dog stuff, cat stuff, medicine, like headache stuff, all that, vitamins. We got extras like forks, spoons, all that. Can't really go down any further. These, I like to collect glass bottles and stuff and like sauce jars because I reuse them for stuff. And then this is all like just extras. And oh, and that's noodles. Sorry. But yeah, that's about it.
It's all nice and clean. Peace.
For watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.